Hey guys, welcome back to my tier list. This is the final one today, and it's going to be Yu-Gi-Oh characters. Only from Yu-Gi-Oh, the original series, and Yu-Gi-Oh GX. I ain't going to do 5Ds, XO, Arc 5, or whatever the new one is, but let's get cracking into this. I can only have 3 favorites in this one, and it's categorized favorite, trash, okay, annoying, and trash. First off, we have Alexis Rhodes from GX. She was okay for a time being, but I know she has a crush on Jaden, and then there's like a love triangle between Jaden, Chaz, and Alexis. It seems like. Um, this guy, I can't remember his name. He has it out for Seto Kaiba. Uh, Give me a second, I'll look him up. I gotta remember his name. Yugioh Character List. But anyway, while I look that up, I'll continue going. Oh wait, I may have. Nope. I thought I did, but for now I'm going to skip him and then I'll look for him afterwards. I just know he's after Seto Kaiba and he has the Orichalcos because Kaiba's father destroyed his home and took his brother, so whatever Kaiba's father did is Seto Kaiba's fault. But he was okay as a character. And then you got Bandit Keith, who is absolute trash. He needs to cheat his way through duels to win games. Along with this guy, Bones, he uses a zombie deck. Bandit Keith uses a machine deck. Bandit cheats, and Bones is just annoying in all matter, and he doesn't know how to play his deck without input. Darts, the almost last bad guy, the second to last bad guy in the Yu-Gi-Oh series. He was the leader of the Orichalcos in Atlantis, which actually he was one of my favorite villains, so he's amazing. Dawn of the Dragons, or whatever it's called, with the Timaeus, Hermos, and Critias. Joey Wheeler is actually one of my favorites. He uses gambling in his duels to win. He based his deck off of luck. And right on his Black Dragon is his ace in the hole card. I really like that deck. And Joey Wheeler is like the comic relief in the original Yu-Gi-Oh series. And then you got Professor Crowler, or Dr. Crowler, who is annoying in all aspects. In the very beginning of GX, he wants to kick Jaden out of the school because Jaden beat him in a duel to enroll in the school. So it was like his whole goal was to get Jaden kicked out. Duke. Not Duke Nukem. Duke, the creation of Dungeon Dice Monsters. He was trash. He was also very annoying. Because apparently beating Maximilian Pegasus was the wrong thing to do, so he made Yugi play Dungeon Dice Monsters, and if Yugi lost, then he was not able to play Duel Monsters anymore. And then they became friends, and then he's been kind of a douche the entire time. Then you got Chumley, the love koala of grilled cheese. He was also annoying because he always talked about grilled cheese sandwiches the entire show. But he got a job from Industrial Illusions to partake in card developing, so he got to go in. Chaz Princeton was also annoying. He always was self-absorbed on himself, like he's the best of the best. And there was no one better than Chaz Princeton. And when every time that Chaz faced Jaden, he lost. Right, that's how it works. Then you got Ishizu, one of the Guardians of the Pharaoh's Tomb, which was okay. She also had kind of an annoyingness to her. Because, yes, she wants to save her brother, but at the same time, it's save him, please. It could be the end of us all. And even though she had the Millennium Necklace, she could see the future and all this good jazz, and that was kind of annoying. And then once Seto proved her wrong about the future, and she started to doubt herself. And I finally remembered his name. His name was Alistar. We're gonna skip Jaden for now. I'm gonna skip the protagonists. I'm gonna put them all right here. We're gonna get to them later. And Seto is gonna be later as well. And then we got Mako Tsunami, the Ocean Duelist, which was okay. He was not amazing. He was not great. He was nothing but okay. He did some cool moves, but I think Mako could have beaten Joey easily in the Battle City finals, or Battle City tournaments. Even though Joey is a protagonist and he just, you're not just gonna let the other guy win. Merrick, Shizu's brother, which is also amazing. Not his creepy, demonic Yami Merrick version. I did not like that one. But this Merrick, the one who actually was smart and clever and had all these other tactics, mind control and all that other good jazz. Maximilian Pegasus was amazing. I like Toon World. Toons are fantastic. I need to keep making more cards for Toons. Mokuba was annoying. He always got in trouble somehow. And, like, that's Mokuba. But he worries about his brother, but still. He was quite annoying. The totally chill dude with trash with the Mokies, man. He kept on just talking like this, like you gotta chill out, dude. Take a look at my Moki King, dude. I can't remember his name, but he's from GX and he just ran Moki decks and he was just trash. He has a power that puts people to sleep whenever Moki summon. Odeon was amazing. He could control Merrick as long as he was up and moving around. But once he stopped moving around, he went darker. Raphael. I liked Raphael as a character. Raphael treated his cards with respect until he played the Orichalcos. If he didn't play the Orichalcos, he'd probably be up there in the favorites. But right now, he's an amazing category. Jesse Anderson. Crystal Beast Boy. I like that guy. He's fun. I love the Crystal Beast cards and Rainbow Dragon. But when he turned evil after going to the other dimension with Yubel, I didn't like that side. Rex Raptor, annoying along with Weevil. Weevil threw Exodia off the side of the boat in like the second episode of Yu-Gi-Oh! And Rex just thinks too highly of himself. They always want these rare cards, and they always want to beat Yugi and Joey. They have like a hatred towards them for some reason. And then they joined the Orichalcos team, and they still lost. What a shocker. Cyrus Truesdale is also annoying. He always self-doubts himself. If he plays his cards right, he always wins, but when he self-doubts himself, he loses. Taya Gardner, trash. Talks about friendship a lot, yes. Always cheers on for Yugi and Joey, yes. Fought my Valentine for the Starship so Yugi can beat Maximilian Pegasus, okay. But outside of that, she has no sense of being in there. Along with Tristan. He dueled once in the entire series, and he's just a cheerleader, pretty much. Yes, he protects Serenity, Joey's sister, the entire show, but we all know what he wants. My Valentine. I like Mai. Harpy ladies were bombing. She was self-absorbed at first, but slowly grew to be mature, and actually, she'll be on down here. And grew to have friends with Joey, and she has a huge crush on Joey. I know that for sure. And then you got Tyranno. Hasselberry. Hasselberry will be okay. His deck is full of dinos. He thinks he's a sergeant. And he always talks military, which is kind of annoying sometimes. But he has dino DNA, which he pretty much is a dinosaur the entire time. And then you got Valen, yeah, which was an amazing guy. He looks out for Mai. He had an awesome fight with Joey, and his deck is just fist to fist. He just fights, which is amazing. I like that. Bakura. Oh, no, Zane would be okay as well. Cyber Dragons are awesome. He can usually one turn kill you if he has the right cards. But he became a dick later on, and he had heart problems, and he died. Actually, literally died in the kids show. I think that was the only character that ever has died in a kids show. Bakura was okay. His evilness wasn't as fun as Merrick or Pegasus, but I know what route they were trying to take with him. Asher Phoenix talks about Destiny too much. Yes, Destiny heroes are amazing. I really like Destiny heroes. But his talk about Destiny and being with Sartorius and all that, which I'm surprised isn't even on this list, was quite annoying. But he is an amazing duelist. He's talented and he's smart. Then you got Jaden, who is exactly like me. Always hyper, fluffy hair, long hair. And he never gives up, no matter the odds against him. Except when he turned into an evil Supreme King. And he uses my favorite deck, Elemental Heroes. Then you got Little Yugi, which was okay. He didn't really do much. It was always Atem, which Atem and Yugi will be right here. And then you got Seto Kaiba. Blue Eyes was a fantastic deck. I really like Seto and his ego and everything. But anyway, here's the tier list. If you guys like the 5-part video, 5-part tier list, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.